Again, so guys, in this video we will see how to set up any APK in LDPlayer 9. So guys, for setting the app in the LDPlayer 9, for this guys, downloading and installing the LDPlayer, so navigate to the official LDPlayer website and click the option of download LDPlayer, then run and install as a administrator, then follow the on-screen prompts to choose the installation path. After that, complete the installation process and launch your LDPlayer 9. Then importance pre-installation check. First of all, verify your PC meets the system requirement, enable virtual technology, and ensure the internet connection is stable, and temporarily disable the antivirus if installation fail. Side loading your APK file. Locate the desired APK file on your PC, drag and drop the APK file directly onto the LDPlayer window. Confirm any installation prompt. Alternatively, click the option of install APK icon on the sidebar and browse to your APK file and select it. Wait for the app to install and appear on your home screen. Then guys, managing your Android app. Uninstall your app from dragging icon to the trash. Update your via the Google Play Store and create the app shortcut on your Windows desktop. So use the multiple player tools for the multiple instance. Last thing is guys, optimize your LDPlayer for the better performance. For this, open your LDPlayer setting from the sidebar, then go to the option of game setting, adjust CPU core and RAM allocation. Set the resolution and FPS based on your PC and choose a compatible graphic rendering mode and save changes and restart your LDPlayer. So this is the way that you can do. And guys, thank you and have a nice day, and guys, subscribe our YouTube channel for the further informations.